of their dedication and professionalism, thereby contributing to the positive performance of the command. Thus above-named PNP personnel displayed the highest commitment to duty, worthy of emulation by their peers, not only in Police Regional Office 10, but also in the entire Philippine National Police. The Medalya ng Kagalingan is hereby awarded to Police Inspector Alexander Gadat Adamat with the same accomplishments. The Medalya ng Kagalingan is hereby awarded to PO3 Marvin Palanas Humawan with the same accomplishments. The Medalya ng Kagalingan is hereby awarded to PO1 Florante Escobar Salian with the same accomplishments. The Medalya ng Kagalingan is hereby awarded to PO1 Jodibon Origines Reyes with the same accomplishments. And the Medalya ng Kagalingan is hereby awarded to PO1 Marian Faustino Dumandagan with the same accomplishments. By command of Police Chief Superintendent